Hello các bạn, bây giờ mình sẽ chơi trò này nha.
Rosie's Slime Store. Presenting Rosie's Supertastical Slime Store and Hobby's Amazing Supply Shop. Welcome to the best slime store in town. Bienvenidos. Select the curtain to open for business. Rosie's Slime Store is open for business. Whoa, our first customer. Hi, Iggy. Ooh, it could be even squishier. Me encanta. Perfectly gloopy. Squish, squish, squish. So slimy. Select the check mark to finish. Super task. This customer wants a different slime. 1 coin, 2 coins. Orale, a happy customer. So many wow amazing supplies for sale. We could use my change first to buy them. What supplies do we need? Pick an item to buy. Blue. 1 coin. Gracias, Javi. Purple. 1 coin. Gracias, Javi. Unicorns. I know. Javi will trade slime for the supply. Rosie's rule. A trade is when you give someone something and they give you something back. When you're ready to sell more slime, select the curtain. We sell the slimiest slime in town. Another customer. Hola, Papa. We don't have that slime in our shelf. I know. Let's make it. Whoa, goopy goop. a doodle.